What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Cynosure Hair, and shout out to Cynosure Hair for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, you know the regular logo. Love your hair, show your beauty, unprocessed human hair, high quality. This is all I got in today's package. Package them stingy from what do not like. So today we got a pair of lashes, and I feel like I might just pop these on for, you know, my little glam for this install. So yeah, this is the lashes. I also have a wig cap, and that is it, you know guys. That is all I got with the wig. And then this is the hair. It's body wave. It's 220% in density, 24 inches long. So we're working with, you know, a little bit of inches today. It's been a while since I've had body wave hair. It's been a while. I mean, apart from a headband wig, like an actual, you know, wig. Oh my god, this is just, oh my, I wish it wouldn't. I wish if it, okay, I feel like if anything, I'm gonna go back over it with my wand just to get back this whole vibe, that perfect like Hollywood wave, you know. Love that, love that. And it is a lace front wig, not a T-part, not a headband. It's an actual lace front wig. So this is a cap construction. It's 4 combs on the inside, 1 at the back, 3 at the mid portion. Have adjustable straps in the back so you can get it tighter or looser as you like. A little piece of lace here. And okay, so this is how the front looks. So you know, today I feel so good having a lace front wig. I'm going to go in and I'm going to pluck this some more. I want some more graduation. You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. Brush it up because I plucked it, so I had to like brush out what I plucked. But you guys don't understand my excitement, man. Don't get me wrong, I've been loving the headband wave. Like as a matter of fact, you guys are gonna see a lot more headband wigs. But you know, I love my little lace frontal. My love, we can finesse it and so. Now this is a bit long for me, so I definitely want to go back in and you know, define the waves. So I'm gonna be using my ORS holding spray, super hold spray again today. I used it the other day and I felt like it was just okay, you know. I felt like it was very much on the same level, but I feel like because I did a T-part wig, today I'm gonna use it on an actual lace front wig. So I just want to give it a fair shot on a lace front wig, you know. So I have the gel too, but I don't feel like for going with the gel right now, honestly. I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace.
driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
I'm done with laying my baby hairs, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna move on to, you know, winding up the hair, giving it some nice Hollywood waves, you know, like red carpet vibes. So I'm all done. Got a nice neutral glam going. I did a nice subtle color on the lips, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel these curls. See how nice that came out? And as you guys saw, I did use a little bit of holding spray after I curl it. So I'm gonna take this white tooth comb.
You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Came out exactly how I wanted it. That classic loose wave look. It's just gorgeous. Love it every single time. I can never get over this look. The hair is so soft, easy to work with, and it's very bouncy, as you can see. I love it. I'm gonna be sure to put all the information on this wig down below. Cynosure here did it again. As it relates to the holding spray, I feel like it's a more mild hold. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Like, I had to be going over some areas with this. I feel like the Got2b has a bit of a stronger hold. Maybe, I don't know if there's more alcohol in the Got2b or what. This also has alcohol, so be mindful of that. But like, it has a better smell, one, and I love that for sure. It still has the same cold feeling, but I feel like the hold is a little milder, so you might have to go over a certain price. I don't know, that's just me. Maybe I feel like it might work better if I pair it with a gel. I mean, more than likely it will, but I just used this today. So this alone, in comparison to using the Got2b spray alone, I feel like it's milder. I have the grip gel, so I'll try that again. I'm not gonna like be like this is my final conclusion, but it on its own is of a more mild hold, you know, as opposed to the Got2b. So yeah, but guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope it was informative. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That is it for today, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Okay, and just keep on supporting, keep on subscribing, because I'm very consistent. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.
You're driving me crazy.